I don't think you all are waiving the enhancement. Is that correct?
Judge, we're moving forward for 1 year state jail to proceed as a state jail felony.
I mean, this is a state jail felony, correct? Because in the indictment, it's only alleging that he ran away from an officer, which is not a felony.
That's correct.
So then the enhancement allegation is being used to make it a state jail.
Correct.
So y'all proceeding on the indictment as presented?
We are, Your Honor. I'm sorry for the misunderstanding.
Oh, no problem.
I thought there was.
Quick legal breakdown. The judge just pointed out something critical. Running from an officer alone is not a felony. It only becomes a felony because of an enhancement, basically using a prior conviction to upgrade the charge. Think of it like a video game power-up, except this one adds prison time.
That's okay. Maybe I was thinking the law maybe had changed and I wasn't aware. All right, so you all are proceeding on the indictment as presented.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, Mr. Vajari, I'm showing you what's entitled Court Admonishments. Did you review that document with your attorney? Did you understand it? Did you sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, Your Honor, I did.
Did you understand you're charged with the offense of evading arrest, detention, second or more? That's a state jail felony. Range of punishment is anywhere from 180 days up to two years in the state jail facility and up to a $10,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. After reviewing States Exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there is sufficient evidence to find you guilty, and the court will find you guilty. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are, Your Honor.
Anything you wish to say on behalf of your client?
Your Honor, I think my client would like to address the court himself.
All right. Yes.
Well, Your Honor, I know I made a mistake and a bunch of mistakes.
No, not mistakes. You made choices.
Made choices, yes. Made bad choices. I had surgery not too long ago. I had an abscess under my arm. I had surgery on my wrist. So I was out for like a month, no work. And that's why I was doing all this shoplifting, getting stuff for the house for me and my wife. I have 4 kids of my own. We adopted 2. We have a new apartment now.
So you adopted 2 children and you're out stealing.
Yeah, well, I mean, it's kind of hard just her doing it by herself. And I couldn't donate plasma, and I really didn't have the strength to do any type of work. And I just made wrong choices, like I said. But I do have a good support group.
Did you catch that? The judge is not just confronting him for shoplifting. She's exposing the contradiction. This man's family already gets financial help and benefits for adopting children, yet he's still committing crimes. That's not just bad judgment. In court, it's a credibility killer.
I do have a good job.
No, see, here's the thing. What I know is when these children were adopted, was that through Child Protective Services?
Yes. It was
all right. So what I know is when you adopt children through Child Protective Services, were they listed as special needs children or no?
No, they're not special. It was my wife's niece.
So what I know is when you adopt 2 children in the state of Texas, I don't know how they do it in other states, but I know in the state of Texas, what ends up happening is you get similar to a stipend for each child. So you are probably already getting about.
Yeah, we get like a good $1,000.
No, you get more than $1,000 because it's 2 children.
Yeah.
And not only do you get that, you get medical. And not only do you get that, those 2 children, I hope you all are encouraging them. They get to go to a state college for free.
Yes, they get all those benefits.
So they're getting benefits and you're stealing.
Yeah, I was stealing stuff, stupid stuff, like hygiene and stuff. I shouldn't have been doing that. I made wrong choices, but like I said, I got a good job when I get out.
So did you have the children with you during your first evading?
Of course.
No. I'm talking about the first time that you picked up an evading, which is what they're using for enhancement for this evading to make it a state jail felony. Did you have those children?
Yes. Well, yes, they're under my wife's, protective custody. Like, my wife is the one that, she got custody of them, not me. It was her. It was all her. Like children are under her care. I just help.
You just live there.
I just help to support.
And here's my other question. And mind you, this is a suitcase that I think needs to be unpacked. Here's my other question. So when she adopted the children, were you living in the home? That's a no. No, you were not. So what has happened is she has not had you in the home. And when CPS did a study of her house to place those, you couldn't be there. And now you're there.
Yes.
And well, I guess CPS needs to check on that because the children are not in a great place with you being there.
Well,
and if you,
I am a good person.
Here's the thing. If you love her and if you love.
And here's where it gets tense. The judge is peeling back the layers. CPS placed those kids in a supposedly safe home, one where he was not supposed to be living. Now, with him in the picture, the entire adoption could be at risk. Imagine the stakes, not just his jail time, but kids losing their stability.
Those children, you need not be in that household. Do you understand?
I mean, I do understand, but I am a good person. I don't plan on living like this the rest of my life. My dad is deacon for St. Dominic's Church. I mean, my mom's a school teacher.
Okay, I want you to listen to me carefully.
I have a good
Listen,
support group.
here's the thing. I know you're trying to tell me how great you are, and I appreciate that. But I want you to listen to me carefully. If you love her, you will not live with her. And let me just tell you why you will not live with her. Because when those children were placed with her for adoption, number one, obviously, somebody's rights have been terminated, and those children are experiencing trauma because their parents' rights have been taken away from them. And they're trying to put them in a place that they think will be safe for them, where they can go to sleep at night without worrying about people picking up cases and police officers knocking on the door looking for people.
Yeah.
And when CPS studied her home for placement, you were not there. And I'm sure she told them, I don't have a man living here.
Yes.
And now what has happened is CPS is out of the picture because she's adopted the children. I know because I did CPS cases. She's receiving a stipend for both of those children. And sometimes they will even give you food stamps. At least that's what we called them when I was growing up, or WIC and all of that stuff.
Yes.
And it's not for that money to be supporting. How old are you?
36.
Not for that money to be supporting a 36-year-old. So if you love her and if you love those children, you will not be in that household until you get your life together, because otherwise, here's the thing. Otherwise, you know what's going to end up happening? CPS is going to come in because they're going to get a report, and those children will be removed, and they will have another trauma on top of trauma. Do you understand?
Yeah, I do understand. I don't want that though. I don't want that though. I mean, I have a good support group, man, and I know I made wrong choices, but that's not me. That's not me.
I appreciate you telling me what you think I want to hear, but I would prefer the truth. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to follow your agreement. I'm going to find you guilty. I'm going to sentence you to 1 year in the state jail facility.
Okay.
If I could, I would not give you any credit, but I'm going to give you credit for any time served. Taking consideration 715-544-722-015, 715-474, 713-232, NIMAC number 740009. We can go off the record. I'm going to say it for the final time. If you truly love her.
This is the judge's hammer moment. She's warning him plain and simple. Keep this up, and CPS won't hesitate to step back in. For the kids, that means another round of trauma, another uprooting. For us watching, it's a sobering reminder. Court isn't just about punishment. It's about protecting the vulnerable.
If you truly love those children, you know you're not doing right. You should not be in their life. And guess what? CPS is going to get involved, and they're going to remove those children. Do you understand?
I do understand that. I don't plan on getting in trouble anytime.
And just because you've adopted children, that doesn't mean that CPS can't come back and remove them. Do you understand?
I do understand that.
All right. Good luck to you.
I think